Hi everyone, my name's Jules Mayouf and I'm really excited to be a guest designer on Sewing Street. It's combining two of my favourite things, which are sewing and designing. I live in London at the moment, but I'm originally from Staffordshire. So I think I've got a combination of two really great things. So London's really diverse and lots of different cultural impacts, and then Staffordshire is very rural, so there's a lot of country influence in what I do. My grandma first taught me to sew when I was in my early teens. She was a dressmaker and she was always sewing and taking in orders from different people, and I think I got my initial love of sewing from her. I started making my clothes because I couldn't find anything that was fashionable, so I created my own fashion. A bit dubious at times probably. I remember once I bought some really lovely, as I thought, heavy brocade material. I created a pencil skirt, thought that was fabulous. It turned out to be curtaining, and I got quite a lot of stick from that. But you know, in my defence, I was a new romantic, and I think I was just fashion forward. I have done a lot of teaching and coaching and mentoring in sewing in my career, and I would think that probably the best tip that I can give to people, because all age groups have various challenges, but the best tip is to be kind and good to yourself, and don't worry about if you make mistakes, because you've always got your seam ripper to hand. I'm really looking forward to my shows with Sewing Street and helping you have some hints and tips and knowledge, so I look forward to seeing you soon.